Wednesday, February 29th, Leap Day edition of the Carolina weather video here. And we still have two big storm systems to talk about for the rest of this week. One in full swing now, another one coming up Friday into Saturday. Now, the first system I mentioned beginning to have some impact on the Carolinas in the form of some rain today. That's the big view of the radar. Now, this activity you see here, that is not real. That's just some false returns there around the NexRad site in eastern Virginia. But this is all real off to the west. There's been some light rain here across our area, some steadier rains trying to push in, even some thunder and lightning here over northeast Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, into West Virginia and Ohio this morning. Severe weather concern in this region as we speak, as I'm cutting this video during the 5 o'clock hour. And north of a line from right about there, it's all snow, and a lot of it. Let me show you the watch, warning, and advisory situation this morning. All the white shady counties up there, those are all some type of winter weather product. Tornado watches up from southern Illinois and Indiana down into Arkansas and western Tennessee. More specifically, with the winter weather advisories and watches and the warnings, you're looking at the red shady counties there in the Dakotas. Those are still blizzard warnings in effect. Now, in terms of temperatures, look at the warmth fueling the severe weather threat. You have temperatures in excess of 70 in some parts of the lower Mississippi Valley this morning. A lot of Piedmont temperatures in the 50s this morning. And there's the cold air supporting snow way up north. Yesterday and last night, pretty good round of severe weather. Numerous reports of wind damage and 10 tornado reports as well. Here's today and tonight's severe weather outlook. A big slight risk all the way from northern Louisiana up into the Ohio Valley, eastward through most of the Carolinas. And in terms of the individual severe weather types, there's the tornado probability today, highest west of the mountains. And in general, the highest severe weather threat with this system will be over here west of the mountains. That's your tornado probabilities. There are your wind probabilities. Pretty good 30% wind area from north Mississippi and Alabama up into southern Ohio. And then the hail probability is kind of a broad 15% hail probability from the western Carolinas up to parts of Ohio and Indiana. What is driving all this? It's this big upper level low, quite intense, moving up here into the Midwest. And already there's the next piece of energy diving in behind it. Let's go out to tomorrow afternoon. The first wave dampening out, the next trough sharpening. And that is what swings in here this weekend. That's early Sunday morning, actually during the overnight hours Saturday night. Now let's talk about today and tonight. Let's see. Well, let's go to... No, yeah, that's fine. All right, here's the RPM. And it is one of the quicker models with a band of showers and storms tonight. Now let me say, during the day today, we're going to have some showers at times, maybe a few thunderstorms in the foothills in the western Piedmont as we go through this afternoon. Can't even rule out a strong to severe storm this afternoon, but I think if we're going to see any severe weather, the better chances would be this evening into tonight as this band of showers and storms moves through. This is what the RPM looks like at 9:30 this evening. So it is one of the quicker models. The SPC Wharf a little slower. That's what it looks like at 1 a.m. I tend to kind of side with the quicker models this time around. Just kind of looking at radar trends this morning, but we'll see. So what I think we'll see happen again during the day today, some showers around at times, maybe a few thunderstorms, and we get that band of showers and thunderstorms through here this evening into the early parts of tonight. Could be some damaging winds with some of the storms. Can't rule out an isolated tornado or a little bit of hail. We'll keep an eye on all of that. Tomorrow, warm, sunny, and breezy. It's going to be a really nice Thursday. Highs well into the 70s. Will be pretty breezy, though. Winds out of the west gusting 25, 30 miles an hour or so. And then we get a day on Friday where the next system is taking shape. There's your low pressure on the GFS moving from Missouri into Illinois. Warm front trailing down from that moving through. So we'll see some showers develop in Friday. And then another band of showers and storms likely, probably during the day Saturday. Still some timing differences, but it looks like we'll see another round of showers and storms during the day Saturday. And actually a lot of question marks with kind of how the back end of this system behaves. There's another little piece of energy diving down, and the models are all handling it differently this morning. The GFS kind of keeps the pieces of energy separate and results in another little wave of energy moving through late Sunday and Sunday night, generating a little bit of precipitation, and then high pressure sitting overhead by Monday and Tuesday of next week. Let's look at the European solution, and this is valid 1 a.m. Sunday morning there, and you see another little low pressure developing along that front that kind of keeps the precip lingering longer. And the Canadian goes all the way to the extreme here with even this system ending as some snow and mountains and maybe the northern foothills. As it really cranks an area of low pressure along the coast, it keeps that precip going longer and longer as the cold air spills in. That's probably a little too extreme, but kind of interesting to see how the models wind up handling the second little piece of energy behind the main trough that swings in Saturday. Okay, that is it for today's edition of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day today, and God bless.